Chickens don't fly. And other fun facts. Written by Laura Lynn DeCiana. Well, hello. Did you know that female chickens are called hens and male chickens are called roosters? How about that there are more chickens in the world than any other kind of bird? Or that female chickens lay about one egg each day? Okay, maybe you knew those things. But did you know that chickens don't fly? Chickens aren't completely flightless, though. They can flutter into the air high enough to make it over a fence or into a tree. But that's nothing compared to what the peregrine falcon can do. When the falcon is hunting, it soars high into the sky and then makes a steep dive to catch its prey, sometimes at more than 200 miles per hour. That makes the peregrine falcon not only the fastest bird, but the fastest animal on the planet. Show off! One animal that's in no rush to get anywhere is the three-toed sloth, which moves even slower than a snail. Now that's slow. Slowpoke. With their long claws and super strong grip, sloths are built for living in trees. Most sloths spend about half of their day hanging from branches, and the other half sleeping in those branches. Salamanders are amphibians, so they spend part of their life on land and part in water. When on land, some salamanders can make their feet suction to surfaces like trees so they can climb upside down. Spotted salamanders are nocturnal. This means they are only active at night. During the day, they can rest and hide under rocks, logs, and leaves. Sometimes they even take cover in burrows made by other animals. Did you know that most sharks need to keep swimming in order to breathe? When they swim, they take in water through their gills and turn it into oxygen. But scientists discovered a place in Mexico called the Cave of Sleeping Sharks, where there's enough oxygen that sharks can breathe without moving. Phew! They get to take a rest. The largest fish is the whale shark. It can grow to be more than 40 feet long. But sharks can be really small too, some like the dwarf lantern shark, that are only about 8 inches. A thorny devil is a lizard that lives in central Australia. It also grows to be about 8 inches long. You would think that something this small would be an easy target for larger animals. But as its name suggests, this lizard is covered with sharp thorns to scare off predators. The speediest land animal of them all is a cheetah. When its predators come along, the cheetah does what it's best at and runs. Can you count to one, two? This big cat can accelerate to 45 miles per hour in a time it took you to count those 2 seconds. That takes a lot of energy. A cheetah has a long tail, but the land mammal with the absolute longest tail is a giraffe. A giraffe's tail can be up to 8 feet long. They also have super long necks, so it's not very surprising that giraffes are the tallest animals on Earth. They are about 14 feet to 19 feet tall. Polar bears may not be the world's tallest animal, but did you know that they are the world's largest bear? Polar bears mostly live in the Arctic Circle and have large, flattened feet with webbing between their toes. This webbing helps them swim, and the rough pads on their paws help them walk on slippery ice. The polar bear's white coat camouflages it in the surrounding snow and ice. But under their fur, polar bears actually have dark skin. This keeps them warm by soaking up the sun rays. A polar bear's only visible skin is on its nose. Speaking of noses, elephants are some of the largest land mammals around, and they sure do have big noses. But an elephant's trunk is a lot more than just a nose. It makes noises and grabs things like food. Elephants also have an extremely good sense of smell. They can detect a water source that's 12 miles away. The bloodhound is another animal with a great sense of smell. It is so good at scent tracking, in fact, that bloodhounds are often used to find criminal evidence. And that evidence can be used in the courtroom. Guilty. Did you hear that? It sounds like someone is laughing. Oh, it's a hyena. That's the sound hyenas make when they want to let another know that they found food. Hyenas live in clans with as many as 80 members. Staying in groups is a way for them to protect themselves from predators on the African plains, such as lions. Have you ever heard of a platypus? It's kind of a funny looking animal. The platypus has a curved bill like a duck and a wide flat tail like a beaver, and webbed feet like a frog. It's so unique, in fact, that when scientists first discovered it in 1798, they didn't believe that it was real. They thought someone was playing a prank on them. Bees have eyes, but they don't have ears. Bees live in colonies, and in each colony, there is a queen bee. A queen bee uses her stinger to lay eggs, up to 2,000 each day. Wow, that's more eggs than some chickens will lay in a lifetime. And unlike chickens, bees sure do fly. Thanks for watching Sally's World. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep on reading.